so cool. Oh my god.
I have no idea what she's seeing.
Oh yeah, oh my god, put Minecraft on.
Do I look like Stevie Wonder?
I'm a huge fan of the Steam Deck. This is my child, this is my baby. I am always playing on this, and I play on it more than my actual gaming setup, and specifically, I'm always playing on it in bed. But apparently, we have something here that will make playing on the Steam Deck 100 times better.
Yeah, so this is the Nreal Air. It's a pair of AR glasses. Now, neither of us have actually tried AR before, so very excited to try this. We have used VR. I mean, I like VR, it's pretty good, but it is very heavy, and I don't find it particularly comfortable for long gaming sessions.
No, I always actually get a headache within the first hour of playing on the Quest.
We're gonna be demoing it today with the Steam Deck. Now, you can use it with games consoles as well, but because we love the Steam Deck so much, that's what we're gonna be trying it with today.
All right, let's open it up. Here you go, you can open it up.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so what should we look at first? The accessories?
You know what that kind of looks like? You ever seen the speakers?
The Beats pill.
Yeah.
Beats pill. It's not a Beats pill. So the glasses, I'm assuming, are inside here. We'll take a look at them in a second. Should we have a look at the accessories?
What is that?
These are prescription lenses. So you can basically swap your prescription lenses out if you're a glasses user. I am not a glasses user.
I feel like you could be like the person, what is it, like
librarian?
Yeah. What are those?
These are nose pads, it looks like. We've got small and large. And then in here, we've just got some documentation and a cleaning cloth.
Okay, since you open up the box, can I open up the glasses?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you put intense music over this. Oh, wow. Oh, those are interesting. How do they look? Do they cool?
So ordinarily, you're supposed to use them like this. So you can see the lenses here. And when you wear them, you can still see everything around you. What do they actually look like? You want to try them on again?
Let me see what they look like on you. Look at me. They actually look pretty cool.
I can still see like the room around me. I can see you. It's kind of like wearing a pair of sunglasses, like everything is tinted dark. But if you want to black out the light for more of a kind of VR experience, you can put these things on. It does have flexible hinges as well, so you can see it will fit any sized head. I can also see some speakers as well, see little speakers.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of buttons here, and I'm assuming this is where you charge it, because I see a USB-C.
That's a smart place to put the charging.
Is this the cable?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, yes. So the cable just goes in there like that. I kind of like that, actually.
That's a smart design. I feel like, actually, think about it. So you're supposed to be wearing these, right, when you're playing your Steam Deck, and they have to be plugged into the Steam Deck while you're playing it. It would be really annoying if you had the plug there. Yeah. Whereas opposed to the back of it, that's definitely a smart way to do the charging. Okay, so can we hook this up to the Steam Deck? Because I really want to try this tonight because it's getting late, and it would be the perfect time for me to, you know, veg in the bed and play on the Steam Deck. So all we need to do, plug it in. Okay.
And it should just be automatically detected. The screen just went black, so you should see the Steam Deck. What does it look like?
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so crispy. That is so cool. Oh my god.
I have no idea what she's seeing.
The quality, like the picture quality is crisp as hell. Oh my god.
Let's have a look.
I'm so gonna play on this.
You think you're gonna use it?
Oh yeah. Look how cool that is.
Oh, wow.
Right?
That is really crisp.
That's so good.
Now, we have a bunch of filming lights on at the moment, so this is probably the worst place to try this because...
Wait, I want to try with the thing on.
Oh, you haven't tried them with these on yet?
Yeah, put them on.
Yeah, I would say it's definitely best in like a dark room.
Yo. This is so cool.
Yeah?
Oh my god, try that. It's smooth too, right? There's not even any lag on it. Let me see, look at me.
Do I look like Stevie Wonder? They definitely don't look as goofy as VR. You should try Minecraft.
Oh yeah, oh my god, put Minecraft on.
One thing I do like is that it does just connect instantly. There's like no setup required. The colors as well. So these are OLED displays. So they have like
OLED?
Yeah, they're micro OLED.
That would explain why it looks so colorful.
Yeah, the colors are like really, really good.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh, Minecraft looks so beautiful.
I think the coolest part as well is that you can take these anywhere. You can wear them for ages because they're comfortable. You can like lay down as well. You could watch movies on this. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Because I don't like VR for watching movies, really. It's just too heavy. Oh, that's cool.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a much better way to play on the Steam Deck. One thing to note is that whereas in VR, when you look around, the screen kind of like sticks. So when I look this way, the screen's still there. With these glasses, the screen moves with you. So that's just something to bear in mind that's a little bit different if you have tried VR before. Although the glasses themselves do have 3 degrees of freedom, and in fact, if you hook them up to your phone and download the Nebula app, you can have more of a mixed reality experience by using the AR space. Yeah, you can do things like browse the web, have multiple windows open at once, resize them. It's pretty cool.
Now you might be wondering, how would you charge your Steam Deck if you're using this as an external display? There is an option out there if you want to pick it up.
I mean, to start with, it's not going to use as much power as you maybe think because the Steam Deck screen is disabled, but if you want to charge it at the same time, there is a way around it. There's a company called, what is it, Nubia, that make the Red Magic splitter. It's basically a USB-C splitter. It's got power in, and then it lets you still use the signal out. So yeah, there are kind of like hacky ways around stuff like that.
I believe that cord costs like $50.
Yeah, it's around $50.
So it's kind of like when you get an iPhone, you have to buy all the accessories.
Oh yes, we actually have that. I'll grab it. So in terms of compatibility, it's compatible with basically all of the latest Android phones, so you shouldn't have any problem there. But if you want to use it with, say, an iPhone, or you want to use it with a games console, or something that uses full-size HDMI, you need this. So this is the Nreal adapter. It costs $59, and it basically has HDMI in, so you can put your signal into there, and then it connects it to this adapter, which then has a USB-C that you can connect to the glasses.
So you can connect this to your phone if you're watching like a movie, like Netflix and stuff, right?
Yeah, you don't need this. If you're on Android, you don't need this to cast the phone screen. You can literally just use a USB-C cable. But yeah, that's the workaround for Apple devices and also like consoles as well.
Always a workaround for Apple devices.
Oh, you also need this if you're using Apple with it, which is the Lightning to digital AV connector.
Wait, so you need this and that?
And you need that.
You need this and that for iPhone.
Yep. That's Apple for you.
So now that you have experienced these AR glasses for the first time, what do you have to say about them? What do you think?
It's actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I especially didn't think the resolution and like the colors were going to be that good.
Is something that has blown me away. I was not expecting these glasses to look as crisp as they are.
So finally, we'll talk about the price. So the price is $379, which is kind of similar to like a VR headset, I guess, even though they are completely separate devices. What do you think of what you get for the price?
I have seen some people say that they're only good for playing on the Steam Deck and other devices, and you don't really use them for much. But I would definitely see myself using these to watch movies in bed, play on my Steam Deck, use it for traveling on a plane or on a train or any kind of destination that you need to go. These are worth it.
Yeah, I mean, they're very versatile because they can accept basically any input. Use them with a Steam Deck, use them with consoles. Yeah, it's a cool device. Also, Nreal just recently announced the Nebula for Windows beta, which lets you view and play PC games through these glasses. I'm very excited for that.
If you guys want to pick up these glasses, you can find the link down below in the description. And I think that's about it for the video.
Yeah, drop a like if you enjoyed, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Once again, thank you to Nreal for sponsoring this video. I had fun checking out these glasses.
This was honestly a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be.
We'll see you all in the next one.
Bye!